When working in challenging environments, you need a reliable tablet that is as tough as your job being made for hard work. The JCB Tough tablet is ideal for various roles and has a massive 12,200 milliamp battery offering 15 plus hours of usage. The rugged aspects of the device feature an IP68 certification for dust and water resistance, meaning you can take the tablet out in all weather conditions. It also can withstand drops of up to 1.8 meters, and the display has Gorilla Glass protection. Performance with the JCB tablet offers Android 10 with 128GB of internal storage and 6GB of RAM. You can use all the apps, and there is built-in NFC technology making transactions easier. A great and unique feature of this device is the ability to make phone calls through its dual SIM setup with 4G, ensuring you can always communicate with the office when outside on a job with its option of dual nano and nano SIM. The JCB Tough tablet is available to purchase now from the Clove Technology website.